Good morning, and welcome to the Artist Morning. My name's Darius, and this is a 15-minute guided morning meditation intended to help you feel more connected with your heart. Let's begin our meditation this morning by finding a nice comfortable seat. And if your eyes are open, I invite you to close them now as we begin to go inwards together. Taking a moment to land in your body. And just feel what's alive inside you. Every morning is different. Every day we are different. Just take a moment to feel what's alive inside you this morning. Beginning to take deeper breaths. With each inhale, imagining more life, more vitality, more light coming into your mind, body, and soul. With each exhale, just letting anything that does not serve you this morning, just letting it go. You don't need to hold it. It's not yours. Imagine it just dissipating into the air with your exhales. With each breath, getting a little bit more grounded. With each breath, getting a little bit lighter. Making space for calm, ease, and maybe even a little bit of joy this morning. And if your mind is wandering, that's okay. That's what creative minds do sometimes. Taking a nice deep breath, filling your lungs, your heart, and watching as your chest rises with each breath. As you get bigger and take up more space. And with each exhale, this feeling of lightness, this feeling of ease just falls upon your entire body. There's a softening and opening happening. You get to choose if you'd like to open. You get to choose if you'd like to soften. Remember, this is your meditation. This is your morning. And most importantly, this is your life. If you are open and willing, allow this softness to work its way down from the top of your head, your crown, all the way down, down, down to your toes. Don't rush it. Actually feel the impact of this gentle, loving, soft energy as it works its way down and it hits your forehead and it just melts away tension. Your eyes, your jaw, those shoulders of yours. They hold so much weight. What's it like to just let that tension, that weight melt away? As it continues to work its way down your shoulders and back, down your hips, your thighs, down your knees, shin, down into your toes. And then it continues working its way down into the floor, down into the ground, into the earth. And there is a grounding here, a support here for you. Continuing to take nice, deep breaths as your chest rises and falls, rises and falls. Can you feel your heart this morning? Just taking a moment to notice your heart space. How is your heart? Breathing into your heart and just noticing if that changes anything, if you feel closer or more distant from your beautiful, beloved heart. Taking a few deep breaths deep into your heart. How is your heart this morning? There is no right or wrong answer to this question. I just want to remind you that you have full permission to feel any part of the emotional spectrum that we have access to. All of it is okay. You are okay and accepted. no matter what you're feeling. How is your heart? A gentle reminder that if on this particular morning your heart is experiencing emotions that feel a bit intense or overwhelming, just remembering that we are not the feelings, we are observing, we are experiencing our feelings, and taking a moment to take a step back and up and to sit in the seat of your soul and watch your beautiful human as he or she walks through this journey called life. Watch the ups and downs. Watch as they experience the spectrum that is human emotions, and feel the power, the stability, the support that is always available to you from the seat of your soul. For this last song, if you feel open and willing, I invite you to place one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly, allowing both your belly and your heart to just soften and to let go. Allow your belly and your heart to feel the strength and support in your hands. They don't need to be tough. They don't need to be protected, because you got you. You love you. And you believe in yourself. Taking a few deep breaths, letting your hands fall to your lap, and just feeling what's here, the energy you have created this morning. Bravo, dear artist. Bravo, dear creator. Wherever you went, whatever you felt or did not feel, I honor and respect you for carving out a little bit of time this morning for your heart, for your soul, for your human, and for you. As always, I'm going to put 15 minutes on the clock for those of you that are joining us live and allow you to do some private, personal journaling. For those of you joining us on a replay, you can do the same. Put 15 minutes on your own clock and just let whatever is here and true and accessible to you come through you, through your pen, onto the paper. Thank you for meditating with me. My name's Darius, and we'll see you next time.